Welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about manipulating the CSS style. So with the DOM manipulation, we can change the style. So let's try now. What I want to do here, the change is this entire page like I shown you in the demonstration of this project. When it is the correct number, it matches 4 4. The page turns towards green, right? And also this 4 width needs to be expanded. So we'll do that. Before that, let's just add this comments to our code here so that it looks nice and neat. So okay, here we'll add when the guess is equal to secret number. Okay, and in this case here, when the guess is too high, so here when there is no input, this gets executed. Okay, so when guess is equal to secret, which means when player wins. Okay, so this means here when the guess is too low. Okay, this makes our code a lot more neat, and it's able to identify where is the flaw. Okay, so right now what we are doing here is previously from we are calling out this class names, right? So basically we now in this case when we want to change this whole background here black to green, so we want to call out this whole page, right? So the whole page, which is basically the body, right? Body of the HTML. So here the basic body of HTML here doesn't have any class, and no need to declare any class to this body. We can just directly go ahead and call it out in our code. So when it is equals to, right, so in our case when the player wins, right, so in this for only we need to execute the color, right? So here we'll write our code. So let me write and I'll explain in a bit. Document.query selector. So here we are selecting the query. Instead of using the dot operator as a class, so it is not a class, so it is a HTML element, right? Body, so we are calling out the body directly here. So after the body, here we are declaring it out style, and then we will declare the background color. So in CSS HTML we will declare with this hyphen, right? But in JavaScript it doesn't allow this way to write this hyphen. So we have to write here this in the camel case notation. So which means the second here we are having two words as a background color, right? So this comes under the camel case notation. So we need to remove this and write the second word in the capital letter. Now it recognizes. Okay, and we'll go to our CSS style. So we'll grab this color code, and in JavaScript here we'll copy paste that, and then we'll select. Okay, let me just save it. So yeah, this color code needs to be in quotations, not just declared. Okay, now it is correct, right? So we'll reload. So here the number is 9. So when we click the 9, see, our whole page got changed here, and the score is also 20. When we guess the number correctly only, it will just change. Okay, and now we want to add here the width also, right? For the document dot query selector, here we are going to write dot number, because let me just tell you why I'm writing here with the number. dot style dot width equals to, so in our CSS style we are writing our see, here we have given our number width as a 15 rem, which is in the dot number class, right? So we took this dot number. So here width is 15. Let's say we want to double the width here. So here it is 15, but in JavaScript here I want it to be double, right? So I'm writing 30 rem. So it always needs to be in quotation, not declared without quotations. Okay, so here we call number because it is in the number class. Okay, here the number class, here this is the number class, so this is the size, right? So let me just go ahead and save it. So it is saved. Here when we click 10, see here the width is increased, as you can see. So this is the way how we are going to execute this project. So of course we are not changing the CSS file or anything like that. That's really the fundamental of manipulating style in CSS. The most important thing to remember here is the style property, background color. We need to specify the camel case notation, in this case two words like we did here, C capital, not use the hyphen between the background color. And between in JavaScript, and anyway in the next video we'll implement this reset button again here, and we'll play the game. So I hope you, I will see you there again. That's it for this video.